Oh, we are so good. The girls suck at each sport. Yeah, we are the best.
It isn't only at sport. We are the best in everything we do.
Yeah, it's so boring to play with them.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I hate the boys, they think they are so cool.
We must do something for save this problem.
We can continue like this. They cannot think they are cool in everything.
What do you think we can do about this?
Actually, I have a fantastic idea. Maybe we can trick the boys.
We have a good trick we can do. Can you please fill us in?
How about we can tie their shoes together and they will fall over?
Yeah, I like it. This is a good idea.
I can stick their shoes together while you're playing briscola.
Yeah.
We won again.
Did it work?
No, it didn't work.
We need a better trick.
Yes. So, the girls want us to make another challenge. Yeah, okay. I know it's stupid and silly. They cannot win, but let's show them our ability.
What is the challenge that we have to do this time? Other challenges were too easy for us.
Well, I don't know. I think this time is football.
Football? What? Really?
Yeah,
They suck at football.
Yeah,
We are
I
the
know.
best.
Yeah, so let's show.
Yeah, let's show them.
Let's go.
In this car, guys.
Oh, what? Come on. What? Hey, come on. What?
Nothing is working. The boys are winning everything. Yeah, no, this is terrible. We need another idea to trick the boys.
Oh, I have a fantastic idea. How about we created a scary legend? Wow, it is fantastic. We can scare the boy.
Yeah, I know a person who can do this for us. I call him now.
Oh, again. What do you want this time?
We have one more challenge.
Because you think you're so cool. Because you're winning at everything. We want you to
Walk in a forbidden forest.
What? Come on, we can do this in our sleep. Come on, I hope this is the last one.
Yeah, we're not going to waste time anymore with your stupid challenges.
Okay guys, are you ready for the final challenge?
Okay, there is a legend that if you try to walk into the forbidden forest, you never survive.
Because you think you're such an amazing guy.
Our challenge for you is to try to survive and to walk into the forbidden forest.
So guys, are you ready for this challenge?
Ooh, a forbidden forest, a legend. Come on, that's so scary.
Of course we can, it's just to walk in a little forest.
We don't say no to any challenge. Okay, guys, let's go.
Yeah.
I want to see and to check if the boys are okay.
Me too, but because yesterday I heard them scream and I'm so scared.
Yeah, me too. I really want to check.
Boys!
Guys,
Hey!
Hey.
Boys!
Guys.
Now I'm really scared. Maybe something happened to last night to them in the forest. I try to call them. No one is answering.
I will call the person I hired. What have you done to my friends? It was supposed to be a joke. Where are they? It wasn't funny. Hello? It's me. I want to do a trick on my friends. Can you do me a favor? Okay, see you later.
I hate losing. I'm going to fix this.
Baby, now hold me close. Baby, now hold me close. Baby, now hold me close.
Action.
This is really.
Yes. Yes, Maya.
A legend, wow. That's so scary.
No, it's not.
Okay, there is a legend that when you walk through the... when you walk...
Come on, Mark. So, the girls want us to make shit.
We have a good trick we can do. Can you please fill in us?
Because you think you're such amazing guys.
Our challenge for you is when you try to...